Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share a remedy of a body scrub. So before watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button. Making this remedy, you need to take rice flour, raw milk, at last turmeric powder and lemon juice. These all ingredients are easily available at everyone's home. The rice flour will act as an exfoliator and raw milk will nourish the skin. Lemon juice will reduce the suntan and will also remove the dead cells from our body. Turmeric will act as a natural antiseptic. After that, mix everything well and apply the scrub all over your body and start scrubbing in circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes. And then wash it off with cold water. I hope you try this remedy in this summer, and if you enjoyed this remedy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.